Welcome back guys to another part of our tutorial. In this video I will show you how to create the database structure for our app. But before starting I want to tell you this. There is no single best solution for modeling data in a NoSQL database. It always depends on the use cases of the app. I model the database as you will see in this video because I think it's the most appropriate for our app, but obviously there are also other ways. So let's get started. When talking about Firestore, as I already told you, this kind of database is composed of collection and documents. The only way in which you can model the database is like the first option you see here in this document. Remember, there are no collections beneath collections or documents beneath documents. So regarding our app, we'll start at the beginning with three top-level collections. We have products, we have shopping lists, and users. First, let's talk about the user collections. As you can see, beneath this collection, there are two documents. It means that we store each user as a document beneath these collections. The reasons we are using the email address as a unique identifier is for sharing purposes, but you'll see what I'm talking about later in this tutorial. To keep things simple, we are using only three properties for each user: the token ID, the user email, and the username. We'll use the token ID to send notification to specific user, but you also see this in an upcoming video. Next, let's talk about the shopping list collection. What is our purpose regarding these collections? The main purpose is to structure this collection so we can easily display the shopping list that belong to a single user. Later, we'll also see how to share a shopping list between users, but for now, we only want to display all the lists a user has. For that, we'll create the shopping list collection. Within this collection, we create a new document named user email, and within this document, we create another collection named user shopping list, in which we'll add as documents all users lists. In our example, I have created two lists. One is pharmacy, and the other one is grocery. As you can see, each list has four properties: created by, the date, the shopping list ID, and the shopping list name, which is obvious what each one of them represents. Let's go ahead and talk about the last collection, products. Again, what is our purpose regarding this collection? So the main purpose is to structure this collection so we can easily display the products that belong to a shopping list. And for that, we'll create the products collection. Within this collection, we create a new document named shopping list ID, and within this document, we create another collection named shopping list product, in which we'll add as documents all products of the list. In our example, I have created three products. One is milk, one is eggs, and the other one is bacon. As you can see, each product has three properties: is in shopping list, the product ID, and the product name. Regarding the last two properties, it's very obvious what each one of them represents. But what does is in shopping list mean? This property is holding a boolean and will have the value of true if you want the product to be displayed in the shopping list section, or false if you want the product to be displayed in the product list section. Also, why is this property named is in shopping list and not is in shopping list? This is because Firestore will remove the is prefix of our field. I named this field like this, but you can name it whatever you want. There is one more thing that I want to show you. See, for the first two products, is in shopping list property has the value of true, while the last one has the value of false. This means that the first two products will be displayed in the shopping list section, while the bacon product will be displayed in the product list section. In the end, I can also show you guys how the database structure can look like in JSON format. see here the entire database structure. So that's all for the database structure video. Hope you guys enjoy it. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next video when we'll actually start coding.